Okay, thank you so much, Madam Julian Akbay, for that kind of introduction. Okay, you will now be seated, my dear graduates and parents. Thank you so much.
Ang lagkit na ng knock.
I am very pleased to have been invited to speak here tonight, o tonight na kasi gabi na po, in my old alma mater, and what I know is a special day. A very special night na pala. Kasi gabi na nga, no? It's special for the graduates of Batch 2024, for their parents and family, and for their